Hi guys, I'm Welder Crystal. Today I got a new sample from customers. I insert the steel pipe into the steel blocks, and the customer required that it can withdraw 10 kg after welding. And I need to weld these contactor parts of the pipe ends together. Now let's begin to weld. I still use our TB certified welding machine to weld this. Okay, start the welding button. The welding is began. Before welding, I set a 10-second argon transfer time before. And after welding, it can make sure that the weld doesn't oxidize. If you want to add a wire, we also have TB65 welding gun, which can reach your requirements. If you have special requirements, we can customize the corresponding welding gun for you. Just need to wait a few seconds, it can complete the work. Okay, the welding is finished. Let's see the welding effect. Now it's time for the final inflatable anti-oxidation. Please wait.